How to remove verification required in App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix or remove verification required in App Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to your settings. Now we will need to come to this section that is content and privacy restrictions. To head over to content and privacy restrictions, first be on your settings, scroll down. There you'll find screen time, tap on it, and scroll down till you find content and privacy restrictions. After you've done that, you'll need to head over to the option called iTunes and App Store purchases. After you're there, here under require password, make sure that you have selected don't require. After you've done that, you can then come back here to your settings, and on your settings, you'll need to search for Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, type in your mobile's password, and after you do that, you should be on this section. Now here, under Use Face ID for section, make sure that you've turned it off for iTunes and App Store. So turn this button right off and then you won't need verification on your App Store anymore. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.